We're doing a group field trip to the washroom, everybody. 5 minutes, be ready to go.
And my name is Becky.
And we are the Sorry Girls.
And you are back for the very last episode of season 2 of Loft Vibes.
Oh my god, that went by so quickly.
You have seen us make over a living space, some office spaces, and today
we're going to revamp our set spaces and add a new one.
Yes, and reveal the office space to our new editor who's coming in.
Okay, we're back and it's Tuesday morning and Justin is coming in to start working for us. So we get to show him this space.
It's his first day. We made him wait outside.
Okay, come in.
Hi, so good to see you. Don't look at me.
Okay.
Okay, we have something to show you.
Okay.
Okay, just an FYI, we're filming your reaction.
Yeah.
Cool. Thank you. How do you look like that?
No, you don't. Okay, come over here. Okay, welcome to your first day and welcome to the office.
Take a look.
Oh my gosh. Whoa.
You like it?
I love it.
How's it look?
That's crazy. Oh, I'm actually so. Oh, what?
Little
No
switch.
way.
The new office is over
space.
there.
That's crazy. Oh, I'm so surprised. Hi, guys.
Hi.
Oh, I'm so excited to be back.
And we have an even bigger surprise.
Okay.
So eyes closed again.
I know.
This is your new office.
Welcome!
Whoa, that's crazy.
You have the best desk out of all of us.
You have the most comfortable chair out of all of us too.
That is.
I'm sorry that we have to keep you like away from us,
Oh,
but
no,
like
it's
it's
totally
dark
cool.
in here. You can
Yeah.
see your monitor better.
Brand new
Oh, that's
computer, so
crazy.
editing
You'll be
should
in
be
your-
quicker.
Yeah.
I'm so glad that Justin loves the space, and I'm so happy he's back. Now we can get back to work.
I was like, what computer do you have? Okay.
Yeah, that ancient one. I'm sorry.
I'm like, we'll fix that
Crazy.
because we need you to pump out the edits.
Oh yeah,
so.
for sure. And I'm ready to.
All right. Justin didn't know what he'd be editing on when he started here at the Sorry Girls, so I'm so glad we can surprise him with a new office and a new super fast computer. All right, now that Justin's in his spot,
We can address the rest.
okay, so we're making this our extra set space versatile. I'm actually confused right now.
Okay, so the plan is to make different filming spaces so that we have different locations to film in so that not everything is on our famous pegboard wall.
We want this area to be super interchangeable. We can change up the seamless, the colored paper, the furniture, depending on what video we're filming. And we bought these fancy little things off of Amazon.
Which is about time because
Every
we've been,
YouTuber ever, every like
vlogger,
beauty guru,
beauty girl.
has these for backdrops. So yeah,
Hang them up.
hang them up.
Yeah, everyone's done it, but there's a reason why. It's gonna be so helpful, and I'm really excited to have this now.
Here or something. There, probably.
Yeah. Let's do that.
Do it.
Does it work? Hold on, let me get my side in. Okay.
Wow.
Oh my god, profesh.
Wow.
Kind of.
Rotate. We just need to add that little thing.
That chain.
The chain. Plastic.
There we go. See how when you slide it, it becomes skinny?
Yes. Wow. Hello, backdrop. There you go. Okay. That's all we need.
Beautiful! Oh my god, where am I? Am I underwater? We don't know.
Am I in the Sorry Girls Loft? We don't know.
We don't know. Okay,
So pretty.
so more Structube.
Yes, we have a couple more things from Structube.
The couch that I'm like obsessed with.
I know. Thank you again to Structube for hooking us up with some new furniture. We found this blush pink couch on the website and we had to get it. It was so cute.
And then we added a couple more pieces that we already had, like a tripod lamp, some plants, of course, and a rug.
It looks like a film set, but it's
Oh my goodness! I
love it.
I am living for this couch and everything that's doing it for me.
Actually, this couch though, I can write messages on it.
Oh, cute, cute, cute.
Yeah.
I feel like this is a set for a talk show that we don't have, but we need one now.
Do we need a talk show?
We need a talk show.
Yeah.
DIYing the dirt. It's like you know, like
Oh, like
those,
spilling the dirt?
yeah, you know, like when people have those shows and they just talk about celebs. But
Yeah.
I don't know. I just went with it.
Okay. Okay, now I'm really thinking hard about what our talk show would be called.
This is so cute though.
I know, and now we get to sit here and visit Justin.
Hey. Hey boy, hey.
Hey.
All right, well,
Last
so
up.
half of the filming spaces have been redone, or done.
Done.
Now we need to redo the other one.
I'm just like in so much happiness. Like, are you kidding me?
So precious.
Are you kidding me?
I'm super not kidding you.
What are we doing?
Oh my God. Okay, let's keep working.
Okay, last thing.
You get to relax when it's all done.
I know.
While we're doing so many makeovers, we wanted to give our workspace / current filming space a little refresh as well.
So last up is this part of our loft.
It's really fun, but I think we've just been doing the same thing for so long, we might as well switch it up.
I literally just like, the only reason to change is because now we do 3 videos a week. 3 videos a week times same backdrop equals gets old.
Is that proper math? I'm not sure.
I've seen some comments too that are like, you should shoot somewhere else.
And we're like, okay, noted.
We don't have a lot of else's to go, so switch up the thing we do got.
Yeah, okay, so we looked up some inspo photos. We're thinking maybe a white plant.
Yeah, a white and like an ivy thing could be cool.
Yeah.
And a solution for the hammer, maybe.
Solution for the hammer, and then yeah, just some things to like revamp. We already ordered some handles.
Yeah.
We'll keep these so we can switch them back in, back out.
Gold handles, they're gonna make it feel a lot different. I like it. It works better with like, we have all this gold stuff too. It's cute. Okay, so first step is taking this all down and painting it.
Disassemble. Yeah.
If you're ever refinishing or repainting a surface, it's always a good idea to give it a quick sand before so that your new paint will stick better and look smoother in the end. We also decided to paint the current pegs gray and gold. And while we're at it, we decided to give our work table a little sand to get rid of any past grime and dirt from old DIY projects.
You're looking a little messy there.
Looking good. Yeah, I would love to help you, but I'm covered in paint. The paintbrushes are all painty, and the water is not running.
I know. I don't know. They're having like major problems right now.
The building is going through issues, so
Well, we have to go to Michael. Is that crazy? We have to go to Michael's to like get stuff for this.
I think I just want to use their washroom because I feel like I'm useless covered in
Can
paint.
we bring like all of this? Okay, fine. We can leave this.
Maybe this guy though? He's easy to rinse out.
So public washrooms are public, but I think there should be a 1 paintbrush per person rule.
That's like less
Less obnoxious.
in your hands.
In my hands.
And anybody in the office that needs to go to the washroom.
We're doing a group field trip to the washroom, everybody. 5 minutes, be ready to go.
All right, so we hopped in the car and head to the craft store to wash up and pick up some more supplies.
All right, so usually we're a real plant kind of person, but
Kind of people.
kind of people. But I don't want to get this backdrop all wet because I'd like it to be.
All wet?
Yeah, like imagine a real plant, so we had to water it. Like I'm just imagining like a waterfall dripping
And like
down.
low-key, I don't have time to water my plants. I am maxed out.
So we'll do like a faux plant
It'll look real.
thing. Yeah,
We picked the best faux plants ever.
make it look real. I'll get to work on that. This years and years and years, not even, year of use. Getting a new finish.
I know, it needs a new seal. New life, baby. Back
New
to
lease
life.
on life.
She's like getting some Botox. Becky's gonna start hanging up some plants while I reseal this table.
Now that the tools are back up and our table is sealed, we're gonna come back and finish it up tomorrow.
So, look what came in the mail.
Yay!
We ordered a whole new batch of handles for our drawers.
A super quick tip on making over a space really quickly is to upgrade any knobs. It makes such a huge difference.
This is gonna make such a difference and like pull the gold from here.
I know.
It's gonna be so good.
And then we can swap these out.
Yeah. Perfect. All right. Let's get to it.
This is gonna be hard with there's stuff in these drawers.
Ooh, I have to do a shuffle.
We should also clean out the drawers. Just saying.
Do it as we go.
What do we need here?
This and this.
The intern Nikayla and I are taking off the old knobs and clearing out the drawers a little bit, while Becky has to do some work on the new knobs.
Sometimes when you order drawer pulls, the actual screws for them can be way too long, so you have to give them a quick cut, which is not that hard until you find yourself having to do 80 of them.
Oh, yes.
Wow, new set who dis?
Set who dis, but still has character from old set.
These are like, I thought they'd make a difference, but they really make a difference, like in a good way. It's
Yeah,
cute.
and hold on, we're missing some things.
Wow.
Wow.
So this turned out amazing. That space turned out amazing. The entire office turned out amazing. I love it.
Me too.
Yay!
I'm so excited to start filming in our new set spaces, and thank you to Structube for hooking us up with that blush pink couch. It is so dreamy. I love how all of these new spaces in the loft complement each other. I can't be more happy with how it turned out.
If you want to see more Loft Vibes, anything from this season or all of last season, it will all be linked below. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye!